After dealing with orthodontics in our household for the last 4.5 years and continuing, I can tell you from experience that an ultrasonic cleaner is the best way to keep orthodontics clean. So I'm thrilled that Two Show gifted me theirs. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you get and then put it to the test. Now, the main thing is the cleaner here. It is this lovely slim line, should fit really nicely on a shelf. It has a lid on it. I do wish the lid was a little easier to take off. It's connected with magnets and it can kind of stick a little bit, but you're not required to actually have a lid on this ever. So if it's more functional for you, you can use it without the lid, though it sure looks nicer with it on. And then how this works is so simple. You're just going to add water, add in whatever you want to have cleaned. So retainer, mouth guard, dentures, whatever it is, and then turn it on. Now we will be testing this, but if I press it once, it should give me a 5-minute run. And if I hold it down and the light changes color, it'll run for 10 minutes. And you're not just limited to cleaning orthodontics with this. It really can be used for just about anything. It works really well on jewelry too. And how it's working is ultrasonic waves are just doing this crazy focus vibrations that make everything break up on the item and flake off. And so while you're cleaning it, the water can get discolored. And then when you take it out and rinse whatever item you have, that item's going to be completely clean. And then you're going to want to dump the water before you clean something else in it. Now it comes, of course, with a power cord. It has about 6 feet of length, so you have a lot to work with here. And then it comes with a couple fun accessories. It has this little basket. You can always leave the basket in if you want to, as it's a nice way to lift things out, or just use this when you have something that might work better in a basket, like jewelry. It also has some plastic tweezers. These I find very useful when I want to wiggle around chains with jewelry, if I don't want them to get all meshed together. When it comes to orthodontics, I'm usually just sticking my fingers in there to shake it up, but sometimes shaking things a little bit can help. And then finally, it comes with the best brush. I really love how this is just designed to get into that Invisalign, that mouthguard, those dentures, just a little better to scrub anything that still remains or loosen anything up. So let's put this to the test. Now I've filled it with water, so that's ready to go. I do want to point out one thing I missed is that it does actually come with some cleaning tabs as well. You can put these in the water if you want. I personally find that what makes this so powerful is how incredibly well it cleans with just water. So all I need to do is plug it in. And once it's in, it actually lights up and it says how many seconds it's going to run. So that's really cool. Now let's of course look at the gross retainer. Now I have not had an ultrasonic cleaner for a few weeks now, and you can see the buildup there. I'm sorry, this is kind of gross. I do want to show you what can happen over time. So let's stick these in. I really want to focus on this when I do it. So I'm going to move everything out of the way and show you. Just dropping them in there. And I'm just going to have it go for the 5 minutes. Now when it runs, it has a funny little electrical noise. And that's completely normal. They all do it. That's the sound of the ultrasonic working. And the water's already discoloring quite a bit. I'm gonna let that go for 5 minutes. And while it's running, it does actually count down as well. And obviously, if I want to, I could put the top on. And when you put the top on, it is actually quieter and it adds a light. So there's cool additions when you add the top. Really nice. It's now been 5 minutes. Let's see how well this did. And yes, I can put my hands in the water too. There's no concern there. I'm going to use the tweezers. And you can see how dramatically that improved these. They pretty much look like new. That is just water and ultrasonic for 5 minutes. This is why you need one of these. And specifically this one, I am very impressed. I love that it's specifically designed for orthodontics, retainers, night guards, veneers, dentures. This really has you covered. It is a fantastic cleaner with a very cool container that I know you're gonna love.